A very good afternoon to all. Welcome to Tally CA Connect. Our expert for today is Mr. Rajendra Mithari. Rajendra sir, as always, has come up with new topics which are useful for the CA community and not yet addressed at this forum. So today he'll be sharing insights on how GST configurations can be done that will help you liabilities, your input tax credit and share solutions. And also, interestingly, we have covered Tally ODBC for creating financials for corporates and non-corporates. But on receiving more additional requests, Rajendra sir has taken up on this topic as well. We'll be covering how to export daybook via Tally ODBC. So thank you, Rajendra sir, for keeping it interesting as always, and thank you for your time for our C Connect forum. And before we begin, I'm sure most everyone of you have received this notification and on the new HSN mandate on requiring the separate summary of B2B, B2C. And over the last month, we have done quite a few demos on the new HSN mandate and which can be easily adhered to the TallyPrime 6.0. So in case this is applicable for you, please upgrade to TallyPrime 6.0 and we'll make sure that you can get this compliance done very easily. So Rajendra sir, a request to you, if we are completing our topics of discussion on time, if you can quickly take this up as well, and we can just quickly show how can we take care of the new HSN mandate, which is applicable for the June return.
No,
So
no issue. No issue.
yeah, thank you so much. Over to you, sir.
Which topics we are going to cover in today's session? There are few topics, but four out of four are very important. So first one, I am just changing the sequence. The first one is very important. Just announced that a B2B and B2C summary we need to show separately. And one more question is that if it is shown separately, then how can we consolidate that summary again? So again, I want B2B and B2C together. So that is also where to check. Secondly, we are covering small topic data we can split from any date, and either you can split a single company or multiple companies. Then we are covering some GST related requirements. So we want to see ITC or liability by ledger wise, by voucher wise, and by party wise. So party name wise ITC summary or liability summary, voucher wise ITC or liability summary, and stock item wise report. So these are three also required. And also one more important and technical topic is there, ODBC. So I am just not created anything here. I want to do on live. So what is that topic? By default, we know in every session, um, uh, you know how to take data from Tally to Excel by ODBC, but it is restricted with only masters. By default in Tally, it is restricted with only masters. So you cannot get data of vouchers or daybook. So there are many people asking about the daybook related data in Excel, which is connected with Tally live. Okay, so that topics also I am going to cover here, but it is very technical, so we are taking it at last. Okay, so first topic I am going to share for HSN summary, that is just announced, and it is must for compliance for May and onwards. So here I am sharing my screen, and one by one I can show you how to work it. So let us take this, see the screen. Here B2B supply is different and B2C supply is different for HSN summary. And from where it is coming, so we can see in GSTR1, table number 12. So it is showing as B2B, B2C supplies of HSN. Enter. So how it is configured in Tally. So first you have to press F11 here on your company. In F11, before the GST menu, set alter company's GST rate details. Set here, yes. Nothing to do in here. Just right side is the button, more details. Don't do anything change here. It is not required. Right side is the button, more details. Click here. Again, use show more, show more. And at the end of the list, you can see separate B2B and B2C HSN summary applicable from. So press enter here and give your date. Suppose this amendment was actually it is applicable from 1st April 25. But suppose it was not declared today and you want to get separate HSN summary after 1st July 25. Then you can put here 1st July 25. So whatever date you require, you can take here. Even you can put here 1st April 23. So if you have data of 23, 24, you can get HSN summary by B2B and B2C separately. So that is very simple setting. Again, I can repeat here. F11 set alter details, yes. Right side button more detail, show more, and bottom top point is the separate HSN summary. Yes. So that is only configuration. Now how to see HSN summary separately? Moving on, this you can say by go to and you can put here display statutory report GSTR1 and at the end table number 12, enter. By default it is showing by period wise. So the period is quarterly, that company is having quarterly period, so it is showing by quarterly. Right side is the button summary view. You can click here summary view also, and again this button is changed to written period. Okay, otherwise you can press here enter. So tally will show you B2B wise and B2C wise summary of HSN. Now again, if I want to see B2B and B2C together, so there are two ways. Once you set that date, you cannot again remove, and it is not required to do reverse task. Okay, just do small task. Right side is the button alter summary. See, alter summary. There are two amendments. Please understand two amendments. First amendment is you have to show B2B and B2C HSN summary separately. Previously it was together. And second amendment is there. You cannot put HSN numbers manually in GSTR, which was our normal practice to alter HSN summary report before 1st April 25. Okay, so suppose I want to put HSN 1234, so I can put there. It is not applicable from 1st April 25. It is amended that you have to select from drop down list. So HSN wise drop down list will be available in the drop down box in written government site, GST site, and you have to only drop down there. So when you are pressing here alter summary, here is the button alter summary. See the button. I just clicking here by mouse. Alter summary is the button. Alter V, and Tally is prompting you one message. So what they are saying, alter summary will be enable you to edit the values. So whatever values are there, you can edit. You can even edit taxable amount, tax amount, everything. However, you will not be able to drill down to the required transaction. Means you cannot drill down. Okay. Do you want to continue? Yes. Suppose I am putting here. So drill down means you cannot go inside of the transaction. Suppose I am exiting from here and I am pressing enter. So what happens? Tally will going to on report, which is a drill down report, and Tally will show you transaction of only that HSN. So what message is prompted here? They are saying you cannot drill down from this report. Okay, but you can edit here. See, everything is editable now. You can put here anything. So this is how you can use your own report as a Tally report. So here you can edit everything. Suppose I want to put here 3 lakhs. So that is possible. So by 18% I want to say only 500. That is also possible. So everything is possible. You have to just enter, save this and export to the desired format. And here summary is also consolidated. See, now B2B, B2C is not separated, but here is the flag, new flag is available. B2B supply or B2C supply. Okay, so that is also editable, but don't use this way, because now the second amendment was there in government report format, that you have to choose from the drop down list whatever given by the portal. You cannot put your own HSN codes. Okay, so this is the first way how you can get summary report. So I can put here ultra summary, enter, and I can get B2B, B2C combined. Okay, second way is there. Moving on, annual computation. At the bottom, summary of outward supply, summary of inward supply. So in outward supply, you can get, it is now you can see it is not showing B2B, B2C wise. It is annual summary. Okay. One more question I can resolve here of many audience. So they are asking how to get inward supply HSN wise summary. So here is the option, inward supply HSN summary. So now no data is there, but you can put here, enter, and you can see. So I just want to share here photographs. See how to configure. Then first one is B2B, B2C separately, and second is combined. So this is completed. So in question answer session, we can cover all questions regarding this. Now, second one is, so I am taking this topic. How to get HSN some voucher type wise, ledger wise, or party wise ITC. Okay, so let us see what happens when you are moving on GSTR 1. Okay, as per default required format, they are asking you about nature by nature transactions. For example, B2B invoices, then sales return, amendment of B2B, then credit note, then amendment of credit note, then export, then amendment of export, nil rated. So these are not by ledger wise. Okay, so just I am putting here enter, enter. What happens? It is showing me only party wise. Otherwise, right side is the button voucher wise. Is the button voucher wise. So there are only two ways. One is two options. One is party wise, means HSN GST number wise, or voucher wise. But suppose I want to check some calculations depending on my profit and loss ledgers, balance sheet ledgers. So here is the no any option for that. Okay, either you can put summary or voucher wise. So just I am showing here how you can get this report also from Tally. Okay, I'm just again telling you why it is required. So people's the chartered accountants are always required to check income headwise GST inputs, income headwise GST liability, or expense headwise, whatever. So how to get that report? Go to GST report, again go to GSTR 1, and don't use this format. You have to click here at the right side nature view. Right side is the button nature view. But what happens after nature view? Nature view only showing you percentage wise GST liability. Okay, just this is GSTR 1, so it is only with related with liability. Okay, if you are doing this system in GSTR 3B, you can get input and output both. Okay, so here only rate wise, see local taxable, then it have taxable, then interstate taxable, then again it have interstate taxable, then zero rated, nil rated, export, everything will be there. But this is basic requirement for the our task. Our task is ledger wise GST input and liability. Okay, so here you have to just do some technical logical enter. See what happens. If I'm putting here enter on this 18%, what happens? I'm putting just enter. Tally will show me only transactions having 18% taxable value. But parallelly, at the right side, you can get one new button here. See, just I'm pressing here party wise. Just I'm pressing here stock item wise. See, this is party wise. Again, I'm pressing here stock item wise. Tally will show me stock item wise that report. Then again, here is the button, small button. See, three buttons are available: party wise, ledger wise, voucher wise. So let's take ledger wise. It means these are my profit and loss account ledger. And now I am watching report. which is showing IGST, CGST, SGST cess liability by ledger name. These are by ledger names. Okay, so this way, and you have to just change your period, whatever period you want, full year or quarterly or 6 monthly, whatever, you can change your period. So this is a very simple trick, and again you can press enter here and drill down it to ledger wise, voucher wise report. See, 1,35,000. You can check a small report 5,400. So only those vouchers having ledger name commission will presented here. So this is very nice report given by Tally, but it is mostly untouched. Just you have to enter on percentage, go inside and use buttons. Ledger wise, party wise, voucher wise, anything. Suppose you want to do this on 3B. So 3B also you can use nature view and return view. So nature view Alt F1, press Alt F1. Let's take input tax credit. So I have input tax credit of 1,02,000. Enter. And right side is the button. I can click here. So small button is there inside. I can put here ledger wise. So GST purchase is the only one ledger in my data, which is showing total ITC. Again, I want to click party wise. Again, I have to click stock item wise. So very nice feature is by provided by Tally. So please use this also. I hope the sound and visuals both are clear. Can just cross check, madam. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
both
No
are clear.
comments.
Yeah, thank you. So moving to the next topic. So split is very small topic. So I just complete it. What happens? You have to do on Tally. What is the difference between previous versions and 6.0 regarding split is when you are putting here enter by split data, Tally will prompt you three options. From split date means this date, split date is this date. Before split date, suppose I want data, suppose I have data 23, 24, 25, 26 in together. Now I want a separate company of only 24, 25. First company will be remain for 2 years and second company I want only for 24, 25. So I can put here before. Suppose I want to take split data from 1st April 25. So you can use here after split date and before date. Okay. And suppose you want two different companies. One will be 24, 25, second will be 25, 26, and original company will be remain there. So you can use this third option. So this simple and very important tool given by Tally. Previously there was no any option. Only you have to put your date and press enter. So by default, by compulsory, Tally was going to create two different companies before and after. Now you can choose, because if data is having 2 lakh 3 lakhs transactions, it will take more time. So now it is not required to split previous data. You can split only current data from that data. Yeah, so that was a short but required from many CAs. Okay, so next one is, which is more important, how to take data from Tally to Excel via ODBC. Data from Tally to Excel via ODBC, but data is not of masters. I want data is of my vouchers. So I am covering both topics. First, I am taking data from daybook, and then again I am sharing how to take data from master. Master means you can use it for as a trial balance. Means ledger name, opening balance, closing balance, and group name sufficient. Okay, so I am covering the topic for ODBC for vouchers. Okay, so there are two ways. First, understand the concept because it is technical. Okay, there are two ways. One way is pull data. So you can pull data from Tally to Excel. Okay, means your working will be depending on your Excel. You have to learn Excel, Power Query, and there are many videos also on our portal also. Also, Mr. Dhananjay Ukles, he is there, and he has also provided ready-made queries for you. Okay, Power Queries. So here you have to learn Power Query. So slightly technical knowledge you have to learn for pool data. So pool data is the one method. Second is push data. Second is push data, means from Tally you are going to push data to Excel. So here Excel having main role. So whatever syntax you have to write in Excel, and here Tally have main role. Okay, so here no any special knowledge required for do this, but we are using Tally default language. It is called as TDL. Okay, but I am providing you the complete file at free of cost. Don't worry. So people are thinking about that it is very critical. No, I am showing you result first, and then I am showing you how I have done this. Okay, so let us start with result first. So this is my, let us assume that this is my working sheet. I am creating a new sheet. I am providing name for that sheet is daybook. Daybook. Nothing to do here. Just moving on. This option is available in different menus for different Excel versions. So I am using Excel 2016. So I have menu of Power Query. So you can use this from data menu also. In data you can see here from other sources, that is also available. Okay, so I am using this report from here, Power Query, from other sources, from ODBC. So ODBC means Open Database Connectivity. So those softwares are having open database connectivity. All data you can connect to Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or any open office. Okay. So Tally have open data. Click here. So it is prompting you about which drivers you are using. So I am using Tally ODBC. Okay. It is inbuilt. Okay. Now see, two companies are there. Creative and Creative, 1st April 25. See, in Tally, I have two companies opened here. So two companies are showing in Excel. Now I have to choose this company because daybook will be very large if I am putting full data. Okay, so I am putting here for 25 only, 2025. So by which password you have logged in the data, that password will be that username will be show here. Okay, and here is the tables. So how you can read table, how you can write your own table, I will show you. The session is specially for this. Okay, so here just type ODBC. So here is the option ODBC daybook. ODBC daybook. Nothing to do here. Just press click load here. And just wait for maximum 1 or 2 minutes. That's finished. Complete daybook from Tally is available in your Excel with a primary key, voucher number and voucher type, date. So I'm just zooming here. Voucher date, voucher type, okay, reference number, reference date, ledger code means alias if any, ledger name, party ledger name. See, suppose party ledger name is there, you can filter on that, and then group of that party or that ledger, then GST number, then amount, if amount is DR or CR, and narration. So you can add your own columns, but uh, one procedural part is still there, remain pending. You have to click here on the query ODBC daybook, double click on the query. That query will be going to edit in editing mode. So what you have to edit here, just I am zooming. See, wherever date format is there, see here reference date. So reference date is considered as ABC in the column title. See, you have to click here and click here on date. So this is formatting. Then amount is there, amount is there. You have to press here, see ABC is there, and you have to use here uh, decimals. See decimals, decimal numbers. Then DRCR is okay and narration is okay. Again, one date is here, voucher date. See, reference date is separate date and voucher date is separate date. So here I am putting here as a date. Finish. Close and load. Left side is the close and load. By default, Excel will consider everything as string A, B, C, D. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is also a string. A, B, C, D is also string. So you have to just configure that this is not a string, this is a date. Why you have to do this? Suppose you want to do pivot tabling on this or anything you want on this to analysis. So date format should be in date format. So that is basic requirement. Okay. Now the question is how I have done this. What is ODBC table? Why this is coming in Tally? By default, it will be not available in ODBC list. But I have configured it for a special demand by many users, mostly chartered accountants. In two cases, they are asking this type of task. One is data is very large, very huge, and they are not able to use columnar report. So for example, normal audit is done by chartered accountant is like this: display account book, purchase register or sale register, enter, and they are putting here columnar. Okay, so just a minute, I have to disable some files I have added. Just a minute, and I am showing you because we have to learn this also. Okay, here is the sale register, you are putting here columnar and you are using everything, yes, 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 quantity, rate, yes, but this is happens easily in small data, but data is having 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh entries, it will going to hang because our computer is not having so much big rams. We have 4 GB, 2 GB and maximum 8 GB ram. Okay, so charters are asking that they want this all data in Excel and they want some analytical softwares are there, they have some AI based softwares and they want analyze something as per their audit rules and act. Okay, so how I have done this, that I am going to show here. See, first I will provide you one file for all users and you have to just configure that file in your Tally. How to configure that file? You have to go inside of help, TDL and add-ons. Right side is the button manage local TDL, F4. Here that file I will be provided to you, ODBC batch. Okay, you can take any name, that is not a big issue, you can rename also. So suppose a chartered accountant having name Mr. Sharma, so he can put his own name Mr. Sharma for that file. Just you have to select that file and yes, nothing to do. Tally part is only this, you have to select help, TDL and add-ons, yes, and give the file path and control A. Nothing to do here in Tally, all work is done. But how that file is even written by me, so I just want to share that also. So what is that file? Show, see the file, only few lines, no any complicated coding, because instead of pulling data from Excel, it is very easy to push data from Tally because Tally have all methods inside of the TDL and Tally itself. But in Excel, you have to learn how to write the code. Okay. So only few lines are there. I can not in detail, but I can just tell you in short. So collection means a table. I have given one table. Table is for vouchers, but which voucher I am not putting here. See, it is commented. So I don't want to tell Tally that I want only sales, only purchase, only credit note. I want full daybook. So I just commented here. And belongs to yes means suppose I have many voucher types, sales cash, sales credit, sales B2B, sales B2C, multiple vouchers under sales. So I put here belongs to yes. And which method I want by Tally to show me in Excel, I just copy from Tally and paste here. Nothing to type here. You can just use as it is. So again, I have filtering that. because optional vouchers and cancelled vouchers I don't want in my Excel. So optional vouchers mean quotations. So quotations is not part of my daybook. So I just put here is optional no and is cancelled no. Only these vouchers will be showing. Okay. Then accounting vouchers only. Again, filter is there. Only accounting vouchers. I don't want delivery note. I don't want any challan, GRN, nothing. So I don't want material out, material in. I want only vouchers. Those are accounting vouchers. So only two filters are there. Finish. Now ODBC daybook. So you can see what collection I have selected at the Excel ODBC daybook. So you can change your name also. I am using these type of methods. I want these columns: date, voucher number, reference date, ledger code, party name, ledger group. Okay, amount, narration, debit or credit. So everything I have put it here. Only these columns. Suppose you want any other column. Suppose you want bank reconciliation date. Suppose you want any method which is available in Tally, but you want in Excel. So suppose I am putting in voucher. So everything is here you want in Excel, you can collect in a compute value and finish. So this file I am going to share you at as it is. Don't worry, no need to do anything. So I am providing this file. Don't worry. And whatever is in comment, so I just writing here. Suppose few of audience are interested to take vouchers of only sales, vouchers of only stock journal, vouchers of only credit note. So for these peoples, I have just written here and commented because maybe you don't want to purchase and sale or payment and receipt vouchers. Okay. Okay. So here columns are defined, data is created. So let us check, cross check data is easily perfectly coming in Excel or not. So let's take one example of 1st April voucher number 2425 89 number voucher is there. I just going to modify that voucher which is our 5310 rupees. So let us modify in the Tally. So I am just selecting here display account book sale register because that voucher is of sale register. See, voucher type is new sales. Okay. So I am putting here new sales on 1st April. So 5310. I am just modifying that data. So let us take one example of uh, quantity. I am going to change here 5. So value will be changed. GST will be changed and total amount will be changed. Okay. Control A. Now let us see in Excel what happens. So in Excel, till you are not pressing refresh button, these values will be remain old values. You have to just press refresh button. So where refresh button is available, either you can directly click on this table right anywhere and right click on refresh. Refresh. See, as I press refresh, the data will change. So suppose you are doing some analytical work from this table, this sheet. So that sheet will be also reflected. Everything will be modified as soon as your Tally is updated. Only condition is that you have to here press here refresh button. And suppose few chartered accounts are technically very well known about the technical knowledge. You can write a small macro that after 5 seconds or after 10 seconds, it will automatically press refresh button. That is also possible. But I'm not taking too much in detail. I'm just showing you how a person can select here all vouchers. See, so suppose I want only purchase register, click here and just select purchase. So this is your purchase register. One purchase having multiple voucher ledgers, so it is repeated here. See, 4 lines are repeated. And now you can do pivot table, power query, everything you can do here. So this is the first time till now this topic as a TDL we are not covering in normal sessions, but it is highly demanded by chartered accountants. So they are searching here and there. They are learning power queries and some technical task for this small working. So this is very 8 to 10 line. I think the code was only 22 to 39. So these are only 10 lines, and above are only 10 lines. So 20 lines code is there only, and it is very easily available in Tally. So suppose reference. So how I get reference word? So very simple. You just export this daybook in Excel. See, so many people are not even doing some R&D on database. So it is very easy. Just copy any client data side at the side and do some R&D. And if you are confident, you can use it. See here, I'm just selecting XML. Now, in XML format, this file will be exported. Okay. So let us take some simple drive, D drive, and instead of daybook, demo daybook. Okay, Control A, export. So on my D drive, there will be one demo daybook. Yeah, demo daybook. Open it in Notepad, and here is everything. Whatever you want to put there in code. So let us check what you are saying in Tally. Suppose reference number. So date. Suppose I am putting here date. Okay. So let us take demo reference, and here we cannot put demo date. So you have to put here whatever date is there and Control A. Okay. Okay. Now check first in Excel. I am refreshing here. Filter I have to remove. And here by default reference will be blank. First time reference will be blank because refresh button is not pressed. So I am putting here right click anywhere, refresh. So reference is coming here automatically. Okay. Now how I know to say this is reference date in coding? How I know this is reference date? Why I'm not writing here as R date or ref date? Because it is not provided by Tally. It is provided in here. See, Control F. I can show here. Okay, again I have to export the data. Again I have to export that daybook because before date entered in voucher, I have exported that. So again I am exporting that data. So very interesting, technically very required by chartered accountants. These are demo 1, 2, 3 and export. So demo 1, 2, 3. So demo 1, 2, 3 XML is there, and open with Notepad, and I am putting here Control F and here reference. Now see, just I'm zooming on the file. Now see, reference date is the word reference date. Okay, so suppose I have put a demo. See, demo ref, this line. Demo ref is the value put by me in Tally, and what is the name given by Tally is reference. So that in my coding, I have used here reference. So very simple file is there, and don't worry, I am putting this file as it is to you. So as per my schedule, I have taken 3-4 topics jointly. Uh, I just want to ask few questions by audience so we can answer the questions.
So
Yes,
should
madam.
we, yeah. So if you can open the Q&A,
Just a minute.
yeah.
I have chat. Okay.
And no, so जैसे शेयर के पास होगा Q&A वाला बटन.
हाँ, शेयर के पास मोर
Yeah.
नहीं, इसमें नहीं, मोर में
Uh,
हाँ, या करेक्ट, Q&A.
yeah. So I think first one is not related to today's topic, so we can
Okay,
second Mr. Himanshu's we can take it up.
okay. Next one, how to correct uh, connect Excel to local machine with Tally data. Yes, yes, already I have shown you how to connect Excel to Tally.
Yeah.
So Tally have ODBC in inbuilt. Also, Tally Excel have ODBC inbuilt. So only condition is that your Tally and your Excel both must be on 64-bit, 64-bit operating system. Tally, if you are using TallyPrime, it means your computer is 64-bit, your Tally is 64-bit by default. But many times Excel versions are not on 64-bit. So in that case, you have to check here by file menu, option menu, and here in option, in um, about something add-ons trusted, some one option is there about, so it is showing you okay, account, where is the account? So your version, you must know your version. See file menu, yeah, account, not in option, account. And in account you can check here what is your version. See about Excel. So if it is showing you 32-bit, so it will not, see here at the last, here is the last wording is 64-bit. If your Excel is 32-bit and your Tally is for 64-bit, it will not connect by ODBC. So that is the only hurdle for peoples. So next one is, just a minute. Does ODBC help in importing GST registration for each entity? Yes, everything is possible. Okay, sir, please repeat the steps. It was fast. Uh, okay, which steps he want? I think.
So it was during the session you were taking. Maybe we'll take it up later on
Yeah.
the repeated
Okay.
ones. Yeah.
Okay. How to configure column? How to configure columns in ODBC import? That is also same. These are columns. So I am showing you. So any column you want, you have to just here put compute your column name and this way, this way. Okay. So you can contact me by one or any query to forum and also in video. So that will be answered. Uh, Share the procedure again. Okay, then from where to obtain TDL? So I will provide you in, just in this session, don't worry. Just I have finished question answers and I can put this text file in your chat box, don't worry. Just wait for a few minutes. Power query steps, please repeat again, not required. uh, is there uh, is there option to define uh, date range? Yeah, that is also possible, but it is again one stage ahead. So you can learn this anywhere from Google or our videos. Also in our videos, Tally Connect videos, um, there are many chartered accountants showing you how to take range also. Okay, that is also possible. And what happens, you can use this also in pivot table, you can put filter is there. Okay, then can we export profit and loss? Everything you can export everything. Okay, uh, ODBC daybook, please explain. Okay, one line of code, one line of code compute. Just a minute. See, compute means what happens? Compute means we are computing something. What we are going to compute? See, just take example PK. PK is nothing but a primary key. It is just given by name, any name. So I can put here date, instead of date I can put here my date. Okay, this column is not required, not having some values, but here is the value. Here is the value. So what happens? I have done here voucher type name and voucher date, voucher ID. So voucher ID will be not repeated. What happens when chartered accountant asking me this query, and his problem is that they are not maintaining vouchers numbers. Voucher numbers are always blank. So what happens? Uh, they are not able to analyze the data because of unique number is not there. Okay, so I have provided voucher ID. Voucher ID itself having code. Okay, so like invoice, there is a code. The same code Tally is going to provide that way for each voucher, each ledger, each master. Okay, just a minute. Don't want to put anything pending. So here you can see. So here you can check voucher ID. See, this is voucher ID given by Tally. So this is very big ID given by Tally by default. Each voucher having their ID. Okay. Then see, will this TDS be compliable for the Tally? Yes, TDS is also compliable.
No, no, they mentioned TDL in the next.
Okay. Yeah. This is compatible for all Tally. Don't worry. Okay. Then TDL. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So wording is there. Is this sorry? TDL is not reflecting in my.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Okay.
Rajendra sir, first question is also is this code written in SQL? You've not taken that.
No, 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 no. Not required. Not. It is written in Notepad. Only Notepad. Okay. Uh, because see, chartered accountants are not technical coder persons. So you are not able to learn SQL. Everyone is not able to learn SQL and procedural languages. So that I am putting this option as a simple option. But Tally was on cloud server of third party. No, sir. So this facility is only on local machine. So if you are using Microsoft server, so then Excel is not there. AWS having their open office Libero.
Rajendra sir, we missed your voice for 2 seconds. I think there was yeah.
Okay,
Can
wait,
you
wait,
please
wait,
repeat?
wait, wait. Is it
Yeah,
now
it is
correct?
okay, but what you said we couldn't completely hear.
So if you are using Microsoft server, Microsoft based server, then it is available. Otherwise, not available. Okay, just a minute, madam. Before we lost anything, I want to share that file. So just a minute. Uh, Everyone, barabar? Correct?
Yes, to everyone. Yes.
To everyone. And is there any file of attachment is there? Wait, I will provide that file because what happens? Suppose we lost anything connection and there,
Yeah, better to send a yeah. Yeah.
better to send
Also,
first
I have put
copy.
the community link. So if you're already a CA and part of CA community in WhatsApp, if not, you can join through this link. If you're already part, you can just write in case you missed to download it. So Rajendra sir, you've sent it to host
Yeah.
and panelist. You have to make it to everyone.
Okay, just a minute. I have two options. Only host and second one is Tele
Oh,
solution.
acha. Okay, let me give you a
So
permit. Yeah,
you
I'll
can
also do this. Meanwhile, I'll just give you
okay till
the
I am
other
taking
questions. Yeah.
another question. But Tally is on cloud. Okay, no issue. Can we do the ODBC exercise in AWS? No, because there is no Microsoft Excel. There is only LibreOffice. Please share TDS. Don't worry, I am sharing that. Is it possible to push data from Excel to Tally? Yes, that is also available by default in Tally. So just check. There are many videos given by Tally also, even by Evangelist also. You can directly import any data from Excel to Tally. That is available free of cost. Okay, and no need for ODBC. Tally have itself capacity to import data. Okay, one big question is there. I have I have connected the ODBC in Excel and I am trying to make the trial balance report. Okay, I can able to get the data from ledger of name. Okay, parent group, opening and closing balances, data. But I also want to add the transaction. Okay, okay, you want debit credit transaction also. So that is also possible. See, I just missed that topic. I want to share how to get data from masters to tally. So again, I am putting here new sheet. Here we can put here TBL. TBL is trial balance, whatever name you can want. Then I am putting here um, from other sources ODBC. It is very easy. Tally ODBC. So people are asking to repeat the process. So again, we are doing a process. Okay. I have to select company. I have to select user, and here ledger LED. So if you are having confusion for more tables, just select type here ledger LEDGER ledger. So only ledger we want, only ledger. We don't want anything, see, only ledger. Okay, now what to do? instead of loading Instead of loading, you can edit that. Load means you have already confident that every columns are configured. Okay, otherwise after loading you have to edit that query. So I can put here edit. Just wait, my data is going to fetch from Tally to Excel. Yeah, I am putting here edit. Okay, edit. And what happens, by default Tally is showing you all columns, but these are not required. We just want only 5 columns for trial balance. So here choose columns option is there. Choose columns, click on the choose column, unselect all. I don't want any column, I want just my columns. So first column is name, second column is parent, third column is opening balance, fourth column is closing balance. And now for transaction there is word, actually just I have to remember it. Debit something ledger is there, uh, that just I am missing. Debit or credit transaction, sorry, transactions. Yeah, the transaction type is there. Transaction type is not required. Just I have to see that method, but I'm just sharing here. Oh, sorry, columns are missed. Again I have to select name. Yeah, that wording you have to just know that what is the wording. Okay, name, parent, opening balance, closing balance. Okay, I think total debit something is there. Okay, not required. Okay, and I am putting here. Okay, you can take here GST number also, party GST. You can put here party GST also, PAN number, income tax number, TDS number, whatever, and we just put here okay. Okay, and again you have to put here opening balance, closing balance as a decimals, because it is in decimals, and you have to load here. Okay, and I can share you, just chat me by personally or anyway. So I can share you how do you can add here total debit transaction, total credit transaction. There is wording total debit transaction, total credit transaction, but I have to know the exact spelling, then I can put here. So this is our trial balance. So both topics are completed. In just a minute, again I have to move on question and answers. Question answers, more question answer. Okay. um then okay, please share the recording. Okay, recording will be shared. Does it import GST? Okay, that is completed. So why some fields are okay? So you can ask that, but many people are will not understand that. So why the bracket, open bracket, close bracket is written here? Because this method reference date is directly connected with my voucher at the front screen, and if that is not directly connected, it is indirectly. Suppose the group is there, ledger code, so ledger code is written by another way. So that is why open bracket, close bracket is used. So you can learn this, everything is available on Tally website. Okay, then sir, will this session record? Okay, recording will be there. Refer to line above, reference in your code, reference. So this is reference, and here in the reference, tally have reference. Here is a reference, and in daybook also reference word is there. Then pull out. Okay, so you want to pull out. So there is a channel Excel Kida, which is our Tally evangelist, and you can learn there. Also I can share this material also, but it is available on internet. So you have to just move under that channel Excel Kida, KIDA. Okay, how to learn writing this? Okay, you can just contact me. This is not a forum, but But obviously, I just want to tell all audience that these types of sessions already taken by Tally also, and material is available also on internet and Tally website also. So it is not any secret or any something like that hidden. So everything is open. Tally also have open source software, so everybody can work in that. And also Tally is also asking to chartered accountants to learn at least basic for that. Even even I want to tell here, on Tally website, Tally education website, there is a course, TDL essential. So it is launched by Tally itself from last 2 months. So anybody wants to make himself a small coder, and initially for basic requirement, he can do coding, and he can just do that course, and that is having 6,000 something rate, and it is available on tallyeducation.com. Okay. Can we make both payment through ODBC? Or can we mm, make bulk payment? No. See, ODBC is only connectivity. It is not data entry. It is data pulling and pushing. Okay. So either you can pull data from Tally by using Excel, or push data from Tally to Excel. So like a glass door, there are written pull and push. So either you can pull or push. uh, in gateway of Tally we can give, yeah, that is also possible. Please explain how to write. Okay, again that, uh, sir, it possible to you please share? Yeah, already shared. Madam, file is shared.
Yeah, file is shared. I'll just share once more. 1 second, I'll do that. Yeah. Sir, are you in the Q&A section?
Yeah, Q&A
No.
question.
Achha, Q&A, okay.
Yeah, again I am putting here in everyone, and
Yeah.
I'm again I am putting that file. So yeah, so file is shared, don't worry. Then how to connect through ODBC when Tally is on cloud? No, Tally should be on the same PC. See, ODBC is something that uh, the room is having open doors, nothing is there locked. Means, suppose you have data in your Tally, but it is not even opened in Tally, that ODBC will not work. The company should be opened in your Tally by proper password and whatever is there. So you cannot say that I have data in my folder and ODBC will be connected. No, only live companies, connected companies will be connected with the ODBC. Yeah. Yeah. Can we make the one voucher in CGST, GST in one single line? Sorry, can we make the one voucher in one column? Okay, CGST, GST in one single line. Okay, I just not understanding the question. I have connected. Okay, this. How this is okay? I think, madam, questions are
You've
completed.
done. So, sir, I think in the last scheme, most of them are repeated and quite technical. So, as sir suggested, 1 second. So, can we just go? I think I saw TDL is not available, is what they're saying. We just sent you. I'm not sure what the name is. Where is the file you shared? It's anonymous attendee.
Chat
Can
box, chat box.
Yeah, that's what we have shared in the chat. So Rajendra sir has shared. Can one person confirm? 1 second, I'll just allow them to chat.
Yeah. If
Can
someone is going to confirm that file is received, then please
Yeah,
say
thank
yes.
you for the thumbs up. Yeah, yes, received.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I
yeah.
have to disable the chat so that it doesn't get lost once.
Okay.
Yeah.
How to use this data balance? Okay, balance sheet. Okay. Everybody, see, charters are always asking about data reports in Tally to Excel and these types of tasks. I just telling everybody, nothing is there possible in Tally. Don't worry. But the techniques, whatever you want, the techniques is not a part of our this session. This session is for knowledge awareness of Tally itself, inbuilt functionality. So whatever you are asking, that reports you want from ODBC, profit and loss you want from ODBC, everything is possible. But this session, this forum is not for that. Okay, so there are many developers, there are many features. Tally has their own help center. Tally also providing some open tools. So please use these, and one to one you can ask anything. So this is not a perfect forum to teach TDL and how to report. So this is
Yeah.
why I am sharing. Many chartered accountants in last 2 3 months are asking, we want transactions in daybook by Excel automatically. So that I am taking this topic.
Yeah.
How to use
So,
the.
sir, one question is by C. Vishal. The TDL is connected in Tally and data is fetched in Excel.
अरे
However, few columns are showing errors. How to solve those errors?
Yeah, see what happens once you have connected Tally ODBC and the data is fetched. Okay, so maybe that column having errors because uh, ABC is there and you can see the query is there. Here is the query what we have opened. See, and here you have to click here and you have to format that column. Suppose I am not formatting properly, so Tally that Excel will be considered as ABCD. So date will be blank. So that is the problem. Otherwise, you can contact. I will provide my details, and you can contact me. Don't worry. And this is running it. I think uh, 50 plus chartered accounts are using this, and satisfactorily they are working on it. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Is any
Next is
other?
a- asset balance showing in negative. How to convert into positive value?
And dollar value. See, Excel you have to learn first. See, this is my suppose example that this is 1700 is there. Okay, I want this as a uh, uh, positive value is equal to VALU value open bracket reference close bracket and enter. In ODBC it will not work. Just we have to work on other sheet. Here I can show you. Just a minute. In normal Excel you can just use that copy paste. Okay, here is minus, then you can value, and you can learn this from anywhere in Excel. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can
just
this HSN? Okay, sorry.
into one. Yeah. Just a minute. That we have to see. We have to make one formula. If the value is minus, then this and else minus one. See like this. Okay, so that is possible. Don't worry. Excel have thousands of formula. Even you can use find replace. You can here use Control F dash Alter R Alter A. See, all negative value is positive. Okay. Yeah. Next,
Yeah. Uh, is there option to generate report basis edit date of vouchers?
added data. See, once data is getting in your Excel, Excel have magical tools in market. Thousands of tools are there. So you just have to see. I can show you. Everybody is asking the same question. I have just selecting here the data. Nothing to do here. You have to just insert a pivot table and create your own report. See, I'm just putting here pivot table, putting OK, and just use your own column at any column. Okay, suppose someone is asking for date. So let's take the date and the date in filter column. See, filter column. Okay, so that is having filter column. See, by which date you want day book. So this way you can use anything. So suppose I am putting here voucher number. So I can put voucher number here. So use your own pivoting logicals, and that is very simple. But just I have learned 2 3 days before that you can press here right click on your table and go in pivot options. Just a minute. Uh, Options, pivot table options, and in third tab use here use classic view and okay. So that will make that automatically it is a simple view whatever you want. Someone is asking for CGST GST in one line, so here you can use your ledger amount. So I just have short of time, so I am not putting everything here, but see you can do here by this way. And here see pivot table pivot table is a completely separate section. It is not a normal course. See here, so use logic of pivot table, everything is available. Yeah, next madam.
Can these HSN B2B B2C export and upload on GSTN, or these have to be manually selected and feed on GST portal?
No, no, not required. If you are using 6.0, then whenever you are going to export GSTR1, it is automatically part of the particular JSON file, and it is automatically uploaded. Don't worry. But condition is that HSN code must be equal to that database in government database. For example, department is saying that 1234 HSN code number is there, and you are putting as 123 only. So that will become in error, because now whatever you are putting is not allowed there. They want to see whatever is in their drop down list, it should be in your database. So that is precaution taken, must be taken by the customer, that HSN code be valid. Once it is validated, then you can directly upload on the portal. Even HSN code validation is not a big task. Even I don't know, people are know about the HSN code validation. That topic is also available. Multiple HSN code also you can validate from portal. I don't know, people are using or not that. See, validation of party HSN, okay, party GSTN. Like the same way, you can validate your HSN code also. That is also available. So that is a normal topic. It is available from 5.1 and I think 4.0 also. Okay, next.
So one question is, where to save that file?
Anywhere,
Is
anywhere
there
in
a
your,
path or
no,
something?
no, 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 anywhere. Suppose you are saving that in D drive. So in Tally, you have to put your D drive. It is not specifically required to save anywhere. See, suppose I am saving that file in F drive. My F drive is there. So in TDL, help, TDL file, okay. Then here manage local TDL, and here I have to put that F drive path. See, select from drive. See, F drive. So everywhere you can, anywhere you can save that file. Just to give the proper file path here. That is required. No, not a specific location is required.
Perfect. Yeah. Can we change debit and credit as positive and plus and minus respectively?
That is also, that is possible in your Excel. That is not, don't do from Tally. It is possible from Excel.
Okay.
Even even suppose you people are using old way, display account book seal register, and you are putting that columnar. Okay, so there is option given by Tally at the end of the columnar. See here, show ledger amount with DRCR. If you are putting here no, then amount will be not with DRCR. It is only pure numeric amount. Okay.
Yeah. So they are saying that now that we have saved the data, how to pull the data after saving the TDL? Please explain.
See, already we have shown that. So file is shared, everything
So
is
I think
done.
na, the repeating of the Power Query steps were quite few. Can we just, matlab, not in details, can we, like,
No issue, no issue.
step by step,
So
if we can just
yeah,
do that? Yeah.
see here. Once you have set the file in your Tally, just open any Excel file you want. Open any Excel sheet. Again, I am sharing here, either in data path, data tab, or in Power Query tab. Any tab you can get here, get data from other sources here. Get data from other sources. So because of I am having Power Query, the ODBC option is not here. Otherwise, if you are not having Power Query option in your Excel, you have one more option in this list, get data from other sources. Here you can get from ODBC. Okay, so now I am putting my cursor on Power Query. Here I am putting on my from other sources and ODBC. Okay, here I am putting here Tally. Okay, Tally ODBC. If you are if there are two options in your that drop down list, Tally ODBC, Tally ODBC, it means that you have installed a two Tally in your PC. So take any one. Then select your company, double click. Select your user, double click. That user means that is your logged user. And type here ODBC daybook. ODBC. Why ODBC daybook? Because the name is given by me. in their data. See, in the file I have given ODBC daybook, so the name is there. Okay, next, nothing to do here, just load, and within 1 and 2 seconds, see, Tally is going to refresh. Only the problem is that date will not be a part of date. So I told you, double click on the query, double click on the, because you are watching this 1st April 25, but it is a string ABCD, like ABCD. It will be not further useful for your pivoting, filtering, and date range. So double click on the query, move to the columns, and see each column having title ABC, 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 ABC. See, but date is not ABC. You have to click here on date, that on ABC, and set it, this is my date. Again, reference date. Again, set, this is my date. Type of data is important. See, mobile number is number, numeric. Aadhaar number is numeric. Okay. PAN number is string, number and alpha. So here, ABC decimal. If you are putting whole number, then decimal 0.00 will be automatically considered. There may be difference in round up amount. So put here decimal number. Finish and load. This is the only task you have to do, because of Excel is taking, considering everything as a ABCD. Now it's done. Now you can filter, now you can do pivot, now you can do everything, and there are many softwares available in market. Just give this datable to the software, and it is automatically providing you your required data sheet or reports. Yeah, next, madam.
So somebody is saying that they tried downloading and it says that ODBC error specified driver could not be loaded.
Because of that 32-bit, because of your Excel is
Okay.
not 64-bit. Yeah, I know that error. That
Yeah.
Excel must be 64-bit version. You have to remove your Excel completely and install by using your computer hardware person. Install Excel with 64-bit. And my important note for everyone: please install Excel latest version, means 2019, 2016, 2013 minimum. Don't use Excel 2010 and 7 and old versions.
Yeah, they have much advanced features. The 13 and
Yeah,
onwards, I think, yes, it's quite
yeah.
useful. Yes. So one more person has written on getting query data from Tally. Excel is asking for username and password. Is this okay?
You can give a username A, password A, because that is default user ID password for your, because your computer is not having ID password. Your computer is open. So this
Hmm.
is sensitive data, na. So your, if you have password protected computers desktop, then it is not asking. But you have to put username A, password A, and save. That is applicable.
So one more question. Is it possible that without using this TDL, we can get this daybook choosing from ODBC list?
No.
Okay.
See, ODBC is by default given by Tally for all masters. Every master you can get from Tally. Masters. Transactions are not given by Tally. I don't know why, but in ODBC, Tally is not providing any transaction. They are providing ledger, stock item, cost center, stock category, everything. But they are not providing daybook or any particular voucher.
I'm still confused as to how five, six of them are still saying that they have not received the file. I have now enabled the chat.
No, there is option. Suppose the peoples are not
So you can write to
getting.
support at tallysolutions.com also. I'll be giving it. You can do that. Or, sir, if you want to
Yeah,
give
yeah.
your details, yeah.
Yeah, I can provide my details. So just a minute. In chat box, I am providing my email ID, because
Yeah.
what happens in WhatsApp, it is not compatible. Okay. So here I am providing my email ID, rbmithari@gmail.com. Okay. And my mobile number also. Okay. So in chat box, I am providing my email ID and mobile number. Just tell me those people are not getting the file, and we will provide that file. Don't worry, and I can also help to configure that. So our main motive is the session for to learn to train everybody. Suppose you have some additional knowledge about the ODBC and everything, you can also share. And also suppose you are getting some problems, you can also take our help and also write to tallysolutions.com, and recording will be available on the portal. I think few people are new and they don't know how to check records, so there is a channel you can search
Yeah,
on Tally
so
Connect.
sir, nowadays what we do is instead of taking them to the portal, we make it easier because everybody uses WhatsApp, and
Okay.
we have a WhatsApp community. And in fact, so many people I'm sure are already part of the WhatsApp
Yeah.
community nowadays. In fact, recording and everything they ask me on the WhatsApp community itself, and we share it
Yeah.
that way.
Okay, so that is, yeah, that
Yeah.
is easy more than previous.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. So instead of going to the portal, while we still have very dedicated people because they like it in a way that the community.tally solutions, I just share that page as well also, because
Okay.
everybody, we still have a lot of visitors in that page. But nowadays people prefer on WhatsApp. So our WhatsApp community link as also I've sent. So I'm sending you both once again. Mr. Kailash, he's asking to repeat the whole session in summarized
No.
manner. So I'm saying, so we'll make sure that the recording gets available to you, and so that you can use this. So I've sent you the community link as well, so you can choose to go through the community, as well as in case our WhatsApp groups is also. I've sent you both. So if you're a
I
CA, you can join through the WhatsApp group of this thing. And if you are a businessman or learning this topic, you can always go to the page and our YouTube channel that has a Tally CA Connect playlist as well. Yes, Rajendra sir.
Yeah, just I want to just tell all audience, because I am watching that 200 plus people are watching still now. But I am just taking some disclaimer here. So to teach TDL and to train about chartered accountants for TDL and customization. So that is not our motive for this session. So just we want to solve your one problem, which is asked many times repeatedly by many chartered accountants. I personally get 10 to 15 chartered accountants in last 1 2 months. They are asking for daybook from Tally to Excel because they want a live connectivity. Normal daybook, if you are going to export to Tally, it is not analytical data. So they want analytical data, row wise data. So so this session is specifically added here, and thanks to Konal ma'am that she is agree, because this is, I think this is the first session which we are conducting by this way in with TDL. But it is not, again I am saying, this is not a platform or a channel where you are learning TDL. So there are many channels and material available is there. We also providing, Tally also providing TDL course. You can search on Google and here and there. If you get some trick, you can directly try on any data. So just copy data, make it as demo data, and try whatever you want. No risk. Okay. So please don't misunderstand that we are starting teaching
No,
TDL
no,
here.
sir,
Yeah.
that should be fine. So just a request, ki, as you said, Tally CA Connect forum is ideally for the CA database, and so we are here to cover any topic that would make the life of them easier. And this is the least we can do for Tally Prime customers. And so this being said, so we have earlier covered ODBC, and as you said that you have been receiving requests, we too did receive requests. Even I sent you a screenshot on this
Yeah.
at the
Yeah.
CA Connect forum. So which is why we address this topic. I understand this thing, and we have shared the topic. We had shared the file. I'm sure almost 50-70 replies we received that they have received the file, and few of them who have not yet received, you can Rajendra sir has given his details. You can always write to support at tallysolutions.com. It will reach out to me, and I'll be sharing the file. And if you're already part of our CA community, you can ask there as well. So sir, I think we have covered all the topic, and majorly people are requesting for the course of the TDL and all of those things. So while I can say this thing, like sir said, ki Tally Education website already has this thing, and you can, if you choose to be an expert on this topic, you can always do so.
So may I tell them here?
Yeah, yes, sir. You can just
Yeah.
show in the Tally website.
Here is
Yes.
the tallyeducation.com. So site is actually changed, something updated is there. So here the courses, online courses are there. Learning center community.
First is the
Somewhere,
course one,
yeah,
courses.
courses.
Yeah.
In courses, you have to choose your online course, and in online course, there is an option, um, TDL Essential. This is the option. So TDL Essential, click here, and you can also get hands-on practice. Peoples are the tally peoples are there. They are teaching you. See here, now it is 7,200. It was previously some discounted, so it is now 7,200, and you can buy it. And you can also first learn from a tally website also. So I can also interested to show you how to learn from tally website. See, tally is the only software providing everything on portal. You have to just search. See here, on tele website, sorry, not on tele website, help.telesolution.com, help.telesolution.com. So this is the
So
site.
please
And
show them how to go to the help page from Tally itself so
yeah, yeah,
that
it's
they,
yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So here in top of the right side, help, and here is the tele help. It is control F1. Click here. It is directly redirecting you to help site. And in help site, you can click here developer reference. See here the developer reference. Okay, and now you can search anything here. And what is TDL, the material is there. Whatever material is in Tally, everything is provided by Tally itself in the portal. This is authorized website, company website. It is not someone's personal private website. So don't worry about the teaching and the knowledge shared by Tally. They are providing each and everything here. Don't worry. And suppose you want to learn something in detail, you have to just scroll here and check whether the how the tally is going to check, tell you. See here, so everything is given. Everything, see what is schema, samples, everything. You have to just learn. Even see how to comment. See, everything is given. See code, syntax, material, everything. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Next.
I think we have answered on the questions which have come on the commonly. ODBC. How does ODBC help? Yeah. How does ODBC help with the GST returns?
Nah, GST returns are part of. See, GST return related data is not available on without vouchers in Tally. See, masters are independent, vouchers are independent, but GST data is not independent. GST data is itself part of ledger entries. So ledger entries means one voucher having one debit, one credit, one another debit, credit. So GST data is part of that ledger entry. Okay, so you cannot fetch that data from ODBC. It is not available. But suppose a huge case is there and some use case is there and you want it, then you can personally communicate. Let us try. So if it is possible, then we can give it. Whatever today we have learned in the session, that is even now also not available on portal or anywhere. From TDL, no one doing ODBC connectivity to the tele. So you people are maybe first watching that type of programming. Yeah. Uh, Anything else, madam, or is it completed?
Yeah, it is completed. One last thing, sir. In some of the row of daybook data, date is not fetched by the ODBC TDL. Even
Yeah,
date is
yeah.
not shown in the Excel.
Yeah, so that I told you, because that date is not fetching because you have not configured that as a date. So click on that query, right side is the query, double click on that, and in the date column, you have to select here ABC here at the column heading left side and put it as a date. See, by default it is put as ABC, 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 every column having ABC at the starting of the column title. So click on that and select your data type. So because of uh, you peoples are not from programming field, so you don't know data type. What is data type? Data type string, integer, then date, time. So these are data types actually. Actually, you are doing in Excel that. Excel, you are doing formatting of the cell. So that is data type. See, format cells, and you are putting here date, time, accounting, currency. Okay, so that's the same. So you have to put, instead of ABC, you have to select their date.
Yeah, so sir, he said he got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, sir, on that note, one more time for the people asking for the recording. So, please allow us a day, 1 day or 2 days maximum. So, we'll be uploading in Tally Solutions YouTube channel. There's an easy way, as I wrote in the chat. You can always go to community.tallysolutions.com. I've given you the link. And the most easiest way is if you are a CA and part of our CA community, just put in there that you need this video and we'll be sharing the link. And Mr. Umang has one question. Will this ODBC file work in Tally without license? So, yeah,
May
so
or
I
may not.
will.
That not answerable.
Okay, so so that being said, so once again for the B2B B2C, we have requested that you can upgrade to TallyPrime 6.0, so you do not have to manually put in the GSTN portal. From Tally itself, you can file your GSTR1 seamlessly. And there are multiple videos available even in the CA Connect portal, even in the Tally Help page that will make your work easier and you can comply with this mandate. And thank you, Rajendra sir. As always, the session was very productive and very useful, and so many compliments for you. Thank you so much.